So let's move on to RCRP3, verifying backup integrity. So backups are super important to recovery, obviously, but it's equally important to verify that the backups work properly. To restore the backups is one thing to back up the systems, but it's a whole nother thing to make sure that they're back there when you come up. They're number one, they come up, and then number two, they're not already compromised. So how would you do this? So RCRP3 is addressing that. You're going to implement checks. You're going to run. You might run scans on the backups that you've collected. Scans for malware, scans for data integrity. So sometimes in the event that a system goes down, it'll have corrupt data. The data didn't go down properly. When the system went down, it crashed. Like the actual hard drive crashed, and it was in the middle of writing or reading data. And sometimes what happens is the data gets corrupt. So one of the things you want to scan for is the data still usable? Do we have a backup data? Where do we restore from, and where can we come back? How can we come back from this? So you would run a scan to figure out what parts of the system disk, the actual physical hard drive, is it are there any issues with that physical disk? You're going to scan for malware, things like that. So that's verifying backup integrity. Another thing that we cover is in the NIST CSF is RCRP04, establishing post-incident operational norms. So what the hell does that mean? So we'll break it down. So prioritizing critical functions. We're going to identify and prioritize mission critical functions for restoration. This is really important, and we cover this in some of the other categories. In identify, we kind of cover this when we're talking about identifying business functions or mission functions, and then in GV or govern, you're also having to identify critical functions. This is something that's done in many of the more robust frameworks where they take the time to say, okay, we need a control that identifies a security control or control that forces the organization to say, here's our mission. This is what we do. And this is critical. It's really important that leadership understands what's their main moneymaker versus all the other supporting tasks that are going on. So that's what we're talking about when we're talking about prioritizing critical functions.